So here we are. It's the big day. We've got our boxes of our books for Surviving Mexico, Resistance and Resilience Among Journalists in the 21st Century.
I'm just so excited to open this.
Me too. I'm Celeste González de Bustamante.
I'm Jeannine Relly.
And we're here for the big unboxing. I didn't even know that was a verb, but here we go, I guess. I'm excited to see what the books are. It's been a long time, Jeannine.
It started in 2011.
Yes, this is a big day for us.
It really is.
We've got,
Yes, it's so exciting.
it's like hardback.
Nice.
I'm sorry,
Wait,
I'm faster at unwrapping.
Well, I'm
like
just
you should see me at
captivated.
Christmas. So this is it. Wow, this is amazing. And the cover photo is by Jose Luis González Palacios. Thank you, Jose Luis,
for
contributing your photo. And this since 2011 we've been working on this. And the book is titled Surviving Mexico. 150 journalists have died between 2000 and this year. But we're focusing on those journalists who are surviving, still doing the work, and this book is dedicated to them.
And all that they're doing and have done, and all that they're known for around the world, basically.
Yes, so thank you for doing your work, continuing your work, and I guess we need to salute to them. Yes. Thank you, Jeannine. You've been a great partner.
You've been a great colleague and co-author. Thank you.
And if you want to get the book, you can go to the University of Texas Press website, and you can get a discount. We'll give you more information about that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.